Good morning, everyone. Today, the members of the Bids and Awards Committee, PWG, and Secretariat will be holding the opening and review of debates under Section 58 of RA 12009 for the new Government Procurement Act, which is via video recording because of absence of internet connection for the following projects. So we have 24 GF0046, procurement of line item number 1, 76,057 liters diesel fuel, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item number 3, personal protective equipment to be used by various water-based equipment with DPWH number A3-27, K4-58 and K4-59 for the dredging of Bicol River, Camarines, Camarines Sur, PR number 2025-07-181 dated July 21, 2025, Bicol River, Camarines, Camarines Sur. Second is 24 GF00047, procurement of line item number 1, 22,038 liters diesel fuel, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item number 3, personal protective equipment to be used of crawler excavator with TPWH number F16-106 for the dredging of Buang River, Buang Tabaco City with PR number 2025-07-182 dated July 21, 2025, Buang River, Buang Tabaco City. Third is 24 GF0048, procurement of line item number 1, 36,979 liters diesel fuel, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item number 3, personal protective equipment to be used of crawler excavator with DPWH number F16-162 for the dredging of San Francisco Travessia River, San Francisco Travessia Ginubatan Albay with PR number 2025-07-183 dated July 21, 2025, San Francisco Travessia River, San Francisco Travessia Ginubatan Albay. And last is 24 GF0049, procurement of line item number 1, 46,764 liters diesel fuel, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item number 3, personal protective equipment to be used by various dredging equipment with DPWH number K3-40 and F16-163 for the dredging of Lake Bato, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur with PR number 2025-07-184 dated July 21, 2025, Lake Bato, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. Okay, so before we proceed with the opening of the bid box, we will recognize the presence of the following. Starting off with myself, Attorney Munine M. Bataga, the chairperson and the chief of the Right of the Acquisition and Legal Division. To my right is Dr. Maria Chudora Kilo Santas, Vice Chairperson and the chief of the Administrative Division. To my left is Engineer Benjamin J. Vitri Jr., regular member and the Chief of the Quality Assurance and Hydrology Division. Good morning, sir. And also, we have Engineer Arnett L. Samson, the back provisional member and the Chief of the Maintenance Division. Good morning, sir. And to his right is Engineer Raymond Pacifico S. Yap, back Assistant Head TWG and Assistant Chief of the Maintenance Division. And to his right is Ma'am Jeannie M. Bolon, back provisional member. And also we have here Attorney Jervin J. Dino, back TWG member and Assistant Chief of the Right of Acquisition and Legal Division. And also we have here from the Commission on Audit, Sir Santiago Idonis Jr. Sir, as our observer. Good morning, sir. Also, hence, majority of the back member are present, so it is hereby declared a quorum. So, I call in witness to assist us in the opening of the box. Receiving the bids for contract ID number 24GF00447 from Ian Ridge Gas Station. Also, receiving the bid for contract ID number 24GF0048 submitted by Ian Ridge Gas Station. And we have for contract ID number 24GF00049 also from Ian Ridge Gas Station. For 24GF0046, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item 3, number personnel protective equipment to be used by barges water-based equipment. No bids are received, so it is hereby declared that a failure of bidding under Section 64 of RA 12009. Likewise, for 24GF0047, line item number 2, 1 unit bunkhouse, and line item number 3, personal protective equipment. Also for line item 2 and number 3 for 24GF0048 and 24GF00049, line item number 2 and line item number 3. Also po may add that please be informed that under RA 12009, the manner of opening of the bids for this activity shall depend upon on the award of criterion to be used, either the lowest calculated bid or the SRB, MEAR, or the most economically advantageous responsive bid, or the MARC, or the most advantageous responsive bid. So in this activity, the procuring entity will use the criterion LCRB, or the lowest calculated bid, and we will be opening the technical and the financial components of the bids. So may call in Sir Bench po to assist us po in the bidding of the bids.
This is for contract ID 24GF00047. Okay, the loan bidder is Ian Ridge Gas Station. Field gaps registration valid until October 26, 2026. Registration particulars. GPI will expire on May 9, 2029. Business permit will expire on December 31, 2025. Tax clearance will expire on August 14, 2026, and the audited financial statement was filed on April 14, 2025. So all current. statement of all government and private contracts ongoing which are similar in nature. The document is signed and they have declared 124 GF 00021. This is, the owner's name is the DPW's Regional Office 5 for diesel fuel. Bidder's role is 100% supplier. At start date niya ay March 4, 2025. As of this date, 80% na yung accomplishment ng delivery. In supporting notice of award, notice to proceed, and the purchase order, statement of all government and private contracts completed which are similar in nature. This is signed. The project is supply of fuels, diesel, unleaded, and premium. Owner's name is Dennis Macando of Bagong Bayan, Dalaga, Albay. Fuel supplies, 100% participation. Amount is 15,779,000 pesos only. Magkano yung ABC nito? Sana pa lang siya. 24 GF 47, ilan?
1,000,000.
So okay, complying kasi 15 million ito. With certificate of completion issued by Horizontal Infrastructure Corporation, approved or signed by Dennis Macando, the authorized managing officer, purchase order, then sales invoice. Then we proceed with audited financial statement submitted through electronic with filing reference number. Ito yung kanyang audited financial statement, balance sheet, income statement. Then the ITR, income tax return for the year 2024. NFCC amount 41,394,500 pesos only. Signed. Okay, we proceed with the technical component of the bid. Bid security, bid securing declaration. This is signed and notarized. Nakalagay lang tayo. Ayan. Technical specification proposal. Schedule of requirements. These are both signed. Warranty certificate not applicable. Brochures not applicable. And the omnibus sworn statement. Authority of the signatory as a sole proprietor complied. Not blacklisted in the NUC. Authenticity to verify disclosure of no relationship. Labor laws, bidder's responsibilities. Did not give or pay advance payment. 10 lang ito, di ba? 11 ito. complying siya lahat.
Sa checklist.
Yung checklist, baka luma pa yung ginamit mo. Sige, regardless, yan ang in-upload natin. So, yan ang masusunod. Design and cost. Price schedule for goods offered. This is signed. Formal bid. The amount is 1,179,033 pesos only. This is signed. 1,179,033.00.
After the opening of financial and technical bid for 24 GF Villages Surface and line item number 1, the loan and complying bidder is Ian Ridge Gas Station with bid amount of 1,179,033 pesos and variance of -5.8.
Thank you, Engineer Aldon. Okay. The loan complying bidder, Ian Rich Gas Station, its technical and financial documents will have to undergo detailed bid evaluation under Section 59 of RA 12009 its IRR, and upon determination that it has the lowest calculated bid, the same should undergo cost qualification under Section 63 of the same IRR. This is for procurement of only line item number 1, which is 22,038 liters diesel fuel.
Then we'll proceed with 24 GF 00048. The same bidder, Ian Ridge Gas Station, and it will be participating for line item number 1 again. 36,979 liters diesel fuel. So, PDF registration valid until 26 October 2026. Annex A, eligibility documents, DTI, valid until May 9, 2029. Business permit, valid until January 15, 2025. Tax clearance, August 14, 2025. And the audited financial statement was filed on April 4, 2025. Then, a statement of all government and private contracts ongoing which are similar in nature. The document is signed, indicating therein the same contract ID as the first bid. 24 GF 00021. The amount is 14,300,000. Ang owner is DPW's Regional Office 5. As of now, 80% completed na yung delivery na yun. Supporting document is notice to proceed, purchase order. Then, statement of all government and private contracts completed which are similar in nature. Document is signed. This private supply of fuel, amount 15,779,000. Owner is Dennis Macando of Versatile Infrastructure Corporation with supporting certificate of completion as of December 13, 2024. Supporting purchase order, sales invoice, and the audited financial statement and ITR was filed through Gmail with BIR AFS acknowledgement receipt with under filing reference number 672500065. And the ITR for 2024. NFCC 41,394,500 pesos only. It is signed. To proceed with the technical component of the bid with security, with securing declaration. This is signed and notarized. Technical specification proposal signed. Schedule of requirements signed. Warranty certificate not applicable. Brochure not applicable. Omnibus warranty statement. Authority of the signatory as a sole proprietor complied, not blacklisted in the new format. Authenticity to verify disclosure, labor law, bidder's responsibilities. Did not give or pay advance payment, signed and notarized. Financial component of the bid. Price schedule for goods offered, signed. Then the bid form, also signed. Bid 1,978,376 pesos and 50 centavos. 1,978,376.50.
After the opening of financial and technical bid for 24GF 00048, line item number 1, the loan complying bidders even reached gas station with bid amount of 1,978,376 pesos and 50 cents, with variance of negative 5.8.
Thank you, Engineer Aldon. The technical and financial documents of the loan complying bidder will reach gas station will undergo detailed evaluation under section 59 rule 9 of RA 12009 and its IR, and upon determination that it has the lowest calculated bid, the same shall undergo post qualification under under section 63 rule 10 of RA 12009.
Okay. Next is contract ID 24GF 00049. The same bidder, Ion Ridge Gas Station, fill gaps valid until October 26, 2026. Registration particulars, Class A document, DTI certificate, will expire on May 9, 2029. Business permit will expire on December 31, 2025. Tax clearance will expire on August 14, 2026, and the audited financial statement was filed on April 14, 2025. Statement of all government and private contracts ongoing which are similar in nature. This is signed, the same contract, and the owner 24GF 00021, owned by the DPW's Regional Office 5, 80% accomplishment as of today. With supporting notice of award, notice to proceed, and purchase order. Then we have a statement of all government and private contracts completed which are similar in nature, also signed. Name of contract is supply of fuels, diesel, unleaded, and premium, amounting to 15,779,000. The owner's name is Dennis Macando of Versontal Infrastructure Corporation. The supporting certificate of completion, purchase order, sales invoice. Then the audited financial statement and ITR were filed through e-submission with acknowledgement from the BIR, filed under EFTS. Income tax return, audited financial statement. Then we have the NFCC, 41,394,500 pesos only. Eligible. Okay. We proceed with the technical component of the bid with securing declaration, signed and authorized, technical specification proposal, schedule of requirements, warranty not applicable, brochures not applicable. Omnibus, authority of the signatory as a sole proprietor complied, not blacklisted in the new format, authenticity to verify disclosure, labor laws, bidders' responsibilities, did not give or pay advance payment, signed and notarized. Okay. Financial component of the bid, price schedule for goods offered, signed. Form of bid, also signed. Bid, 3,016,278 pesos only. 3,016,278.00.
After the opening of bid for contract ID 24GF00049, line item number 1, the loan compliant bidder is Greenwich Gas Station with bid amount of 3,016,278 pesos and variance of 95.61.
Thank you, Engineer Aldon. The technical and financial documents of the loan and applying bidder, Greenwich Gas Station, will undergo evaluation under Section 59 of RA 12009, and upon determination that it has the lowest calculated bid, the same shall undergo post-qualification under Section 60K, Note 10 of RA of the same bid. That concludes the procurement process for the procurement activity for the 4 projects for goods. They, 3, 46, 47, 48, 14, 46, 47, 48, 49.
47, 48, 49 lang.
46. Pero tama, procurement, mag-iraray. So, that concludes the procurement for the 4 projects for goods. 24GF00046, 24GF00047, 24GF00048, and 24GF00049. So, this activity is hereby adjourned.